yeah. I just found some shit for y'all females out there. Fucking with my uncle ass. We was talking about the old school days. You know what I'm saying? So, we took it back old school, you know what I'm saying? We jammed that little Marvin Gaye smoking on some tweeds. I was like, let me go on and see if I can find an instrumental to this shit, nigga. So I found an instrumental, nigga. You know I had to hit a freestyle to this like this, huh? Check it. Baby girl, you can be my damn gangsta. Holla at your boy, baby girl, I'm a prankster. Doing my thing on these goddamn blocks. With my uncle, baby girl, man, this shit don't stop. Making dough, baby girl, shit, that's all I know. I hustle hard, baby girl, I did it and go. Get it and go. All up and down the avenue. Hollering at my real niggas on this block. Bang the screw, I keep it real, girl. I be like, what shabba shabba. When I give you that lover, I'm a real what thugger. Keep it realer. On these damn grinding from my skrilla. Hollering at your boy, nigga, they call me a drug dealer. I'm a shotster. Keeping it real for the damn roster. Holla at your boy, these boys can't stop up. Hell yeah, nigga, cause we keep it with going. Hollering at my damn uncle while I keep it with flowing. So let's get it on, baby girl, let's bone. Holla at your damn gangsta all night long. Hell yeah, baby girl, cause you know that it's on. Hell yeah, baby girl, let's get it what on. Get it on, baby girl, let's do that thing. Like the ice that, what there's a thing. Baby girl, what's the motherfucking goddamn dealer? Holla at your boy, man, as I'm blowing on killer. Like, oh, girl, you know that it's on. Holla at your boy, Thug Passion, let's get it on. Thug Passion, baby girl, make your ass climax. Hell yeah, baby girl, we give it a what satisfaction. Bring it on and keep it going. Holla at your boy, is this shit, keep it flowing like a river, baby girl, cause it's all damn good. Holla at your boy, man, cause you know I keep it hood, girl, as I'm blowing on the trees. Broke the boys out, man, it's the thug in me. So holla at my fam nigga, I'm off the chain. Been pimpin' since my uncle, been pimpin' since his peers, man. Hell yeah, so we throwed in this thing. Me and my niggas on this block, steady doing that thing. R.I.P. to Marvin Gaye, cause we getting it on. Baby girl, just holla at me, gonna let me bone. Cause you know what it do in this goddamn game. Holla at your damn boy while we doing that thing. Baby girl, yeah, like that shabba shabba. Broke the boys out, girl, like that raka-kaka. Hell yeah, baby girl, as we making love. Holla at your boy, sun shining in that thug. Yeah, baby girl, we can wake up in the morning. Yeah, let's get it on. Baby girl, let's get it on. That beat. It's for the MySpace girls and them YouTube girls and them all them girls all across the world. For the MySpace girls and the YouTube girls and all the damn girls across the world. Yeah. Oh, nigga supposed to be jamming. See how this punk ass nigga be doing? This nigga ain't jamming with me, y'all. That's my uncle. We can say fuck him, man. Got Marvin on him. You already know, girl. Cause my body calling for you and your body calling for me. So baby girl, let's go and start a family tree and let's do this thing great. Let's do it all night. Baby girl, you know me, a hustler, no top flight. Hell yeah, man, cause we off the goddamn chain. My uncle just left his goddamn seat, man. Why the fuck you leave me in the goddamn back? I ain't tripping, no, cause I'm smoking on my black. Steady moving the back, steady moving that snow. You know me, baby girl, I gotta get it and go and catch that flight. Out of town, cause I hold it down. Got a lot of shit to do, baby girl, I move around. Holla at your what boy, Thug Life, high the wrist, man, it's real McCoy. YouTube, baby girl, you can catch that page. Freestyle roster nigga on that goddamn page. While my uncle left me, man, that's goddamn okay. But I still rocks that, what party? Cause I party like a rock star, running from the cop car, fuck drinking at the bar, buy my own drinks, nigga, lean to the left, or lean to the right, say that on a purpose fight, all night, as I'm blowing top flight, broke them boys out, girl, cause you know I get it right, girl, as I keep the beat tight, broke them boys out, girl, cause I drink a potent Sprite, so I'm gone tonight, so holla at your boy in the morning, goddamn light, yeah. Boy snapped on that bitch. What's up, Marvin, R.I.P. Love you, man. Love you, daddy. That one for you too, my nigga. Big ups.